So Americans are massively switching over to a new Chinese app called REDnote after the proposed ban of TikTok in the United States of America. The ban, if nothing changed, the ban is supposed to take effect from January 19th, 2025, which is just a few days from now. And that's the more reason why Americans or residents in the United States of America are now switching over to an alternative. And they see REDnote, which is still a Chinese app, as a perfect alternative for them. In this video, I'll be showing you how the app looks like in case you've not downloaded it and you're a resident in America. I'll be showing you how it looks like, what you are to expect, and of course, we'll navigate through some of the features to see if can be compared with TikTok. As you all know, as a result of this, the app, which is REDnote, is now being tagged #1 in the App Store, which is the most downloaded app in the App Store at the moment, which needs to tell you that's the American effect in anything. Now, like I said, we shall be looking at the app, and of course, you shall navigate through and see if there is any reason for you to switch over to the app if you are living in the United States of America. Now, first of all, let me open the app on my phone, and of course, you'll be seeing the display on the screen, what you should expect, and if you should consider switching. Remember, the main purpose of the United States of America banning TikTok is for residents or indigents in America not to be selling off or giving up their data for free to Chinese. As we all know, TikTok has been owned by China, and there is a major consideration by which the ban can be revoked, that if China is willingly to sell TikTok to an American owner. But I don't really want to know the nitty-gritties that is involved with the ban, or why is it banned in the United States of America, or maybe I don't really want to know the reason why, but what I want to talk about in this video is to introduce you to the new app, REDnote. But note, REDnote is not really a new app. It has been existing for years. But the thing is that it became more popular as a result of the proposed TikTok ban and the switch of residents in the United States of America to REDnote. And like you all know, America, USA, is the world power, and anything they touches, of course, it shall flourishes. And I think, and that's the reason why um, REDnote is now becoming more popular. And even yesterday, the designer, the owner of REDnote, actually sent an information, a welcome message to Americans who are now switching over. If you go to the REDnote, you see lots of Americans there, and they are always using the hashtag TikTok refugee, which means they're running away from TikTok to find safety in REDnote. And of course, I believe they will find. And note, if you are downloading the app now, you discover that most of the readings are still in Chinese. Maybe you're going to learn Chinese, I don't really know. So I downloaded the app today. I just want to give it a test run of how it looks like, and that's what I want to share with you right here in this video. We shall be looking at the app, and the display shall pop up in my screen in any moment from now. So now, the random app, the first thing you should take note is that most of the inscriptions are still in Chinese, and of course, maybe you need a translator to actually know what you're doing. And I'll give you an important thing you should note once you are creating an account or registering an account with REDnote. And a change, once you change, it can never be you can never affect that change again. Unlike TikTok, where there's a possibility of us switching or changing our username, yes, our username and our art name periodically. But in REDnote, you can change your ID just once, and that's the more reason why you should choose an ID that you want to go permanent with. So now let's see how it looks like. It shall be showing my screen at the moment. So this is how the home feed looks like once you open the REDnote app. This is how the home feed, and as you can see, let me like open one of this video. You see that almost everybody here that is displaying on my home feed are just Americans that are switching over. These Americans that are now, or just that from one is Chinese. So the home feed will just show, that's your For You page, just like it was on TikTok. It will show you feeds based on the selection you selected while creating the app from the start. So that's how it shows. At the top navigation, top left corner, the hamburger menu, you see other menus. I'm showing your Discover Friends, your Creator Center, and the likes. The app is not that really authentic or can be compared to TikTok for me at the moment, except I believe since Americans are now moving or using the app, there's going to be an immense change that the developer is going to do. Now let's go to my home profile. Like I said, I just joined, and as you can see, I just have 3 followers. Chibuzo Agua, that's my name, and it's displaying there. So I have 3 followers, and I've just uploaded some funny videos. Let me see the amount of oh, I think I have 102 views in one of the videos I uploaded. Wow, that's cool. I talk about Manchester United. in my TikTok, and also that's what I want to do in my RedNote app. So I have three variants. So this is how it looks at the stand. So if you want to change your image, all you have to do, don't tap the cross, you tap the image icon, and of course you can change your image. And note, while opening the app, all it needs is just your phone number. Your phone number. At first, you might be experiencing difficulty in sending in the code which you use to activate it. I do experience some difficulties, but after trying, relaxing for an hour and trying again, they eventually send the code. So you might experience such difficulty maybe because of the lots of people are now flocking to the app, so they are now having maybe a form of congestion. I can't really say. So this is how the home screen looks like. If you want to change your profile, if you want to change your background photo, just like the cover photo, maybe in Twitter and Facebook, you change it. This is my cover photo. I don't want to change it. I just change such um, at the moment. So this is how the home feed looks like. This is how the home feed look like. Then this is how your main profile look like. If you want to like upload a video, you tap on the box that has a cross icon at the middle, just like TikTok. You select any of your photos, and note, you have to give allow full access to your files. If not, if you allow limited access, definitely most of your pictures won't be displayed for it for selection. And also, if you want to create video, you can create just like TikTok. You can use your camera. Let me see, I'm popping up this one now. You can use your camera, as you can see, and create live video, and also you can go live. But at the moment, in some regions, the live is not active. This is the live button. As you can see, the words that are written there are still in Chinese, so you might be confused. And you can create videos, use effects just like TikTok, various effects. Let's navigate and see through various effects just like and also have sounds to it just like TikTok. So that's what you do if you want to like so that's what you expect. And also have some shop, and the other two words are written in Chinese. I don't really know what it meant. It has C shop. Maybe if you want to like buy products via the app. I tapped on it, so let me go back. I'm not really buying any products. The first one is home screen. Then also once you tap on the next one is videos, where you now see an array of videos you want to watch on the app. It's kind of slow at the moment. Maybe there's still congestion. I don't really know. So, and also over here, you see your messages. Oh, I have so many unread messages. Oh, people are already chatting up. I'm already making friends right here on this platform, and I just started about a few hours ago. And that's the reason why I said let me put up this video for you to see how it works. I have messages from people still written in Chinese. Oh, just an emoji the person sent. So this is your messages, and you see the amount of likes you've had in your videos, people that have liked your videos or your images. They will all be lined up. Wow, I have several likes at the moment. And also people that commented on your posts. What we call TikTok, and TikTok, that's your videos or your images, is called notes right here in REDnote. So that's the difference. So as you can see, the app is still manageable at the moment. So as an American, I don't know if you will decide switching or start making use of this app. It has so many features. Look, most of the words are still written in Chinese, and if you go through the let's see the explore page, if you scroll through, you see that as you can see, most words are still written in Chinese. Most words are written in Chinese. And there's a suggestion someone gave in one of the videos I watched, that for the start, if you speak English, if you want to like upload a video in REDnote and you want to like attract more views, make sure you do a, how will I put it, do a translation into Chinese. Let the auto captions that will be displaying, instead of it displaying in English. Now let's see for an example this very video. It seems this very person did the same thing. So as you can see, this Johnny Legend, oh no, he didn't do what I'm looking for. So most of the captions, as you can see, are still in Chinese, because most of the people that are there in REDnote are from China, and I think they don't really understand English at the moment. So this is what you should expect if you're switching over to REDnote. This is how your profile will look like, and you can edit your profile at any moment. You want to start a profile and edit your images, your date of birth, your emails, or any other information related to you. And also take notes. It's also important for you to use your real date of birth, because many people are being banned at the moment that use an age that is below 18 years. So make sure you use you're up to 18 years and use your real date of birth. So this is what you should expect once you are using the REDnote app as a resident of America who's looking for an alternative option. So now Remember, like I said from the start, the main purpose of America maybe trying to like ban TikTok is for to prevent their residents, so to prevent citizens in America from selling off their information to China. So now this is another Chinese app, REDnote. So would you consider switching over even after the ban? If the ban would eventually take place, will you consider switching over to REDnote? Still see, you will still have to still sell your information, because while creating an account, of course, you supply your data and it's still going back to China. Will you still consider switching over from TikTok to REDnote after all said and done? So that's the question I'll be asking to you, and please kindly drop it in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be switching over, if you're living in America, if you're a resident in America, whether you're an American or not, but you're living in the United States of America, will you consider switching over from TikTok to REDnote after all said and done? Tell me in the comment section, and of course, like this video, share this video for your friends who are yet to switch over to REDnote to see what they will expect before switching over. So see you in my next video. Hit the subscribe button if you need more technology news just like this one, and give the video a thumbs up, and like I said from the start, share it to your friends. Go to a playlist and see other how-to tutorials video all related to technology. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.